Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would be doing this blue glittery eyes on me. I hope you like it. Please do subscribe to my channel. So let's begin with the look. So to begin with the eye look, I would be using a pink eyeshadow on the crease line. You just need to blend the product as much as you can so that it does not create a line over the eye. So now I would be using a dark blue color from the corner of my eye and I would be blending it in the inward direction. So you can see that I have made the corner of my eye in a darker tone and I'm just blending the blue color in the front area of my eye. Next I would be using Forever 52 Pigment Primer. I would be using few dots of it and I'm just spreading it over the area where I need glitters. For glitter, I would be using Forever 52 Stardust in Peacock Crest color. So these glitters are really nice. They have small particles in it and it's really easy to use them. Next, I would be adding Swiss Beauty 04 liquid eyeshadow. I would be using it in the inner corner of my eye. After adding the liquid eyeshadow, I would be using a brush to blend it. And now I would be adding an eyeliner to finish my look. Next, I have added highlighter in the inner corners and the eyebrows area. So to give a smoky effect, I would be adding blue and black color in the lower lashes of my eye. Finally, I have added false lashes and I'm adding mascara to it. So guys, this is the final eye look that I have created by using Forever 52 glitters. And that's the final look that I have created. I have listed all the products that I have used in this video in the description box. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So guys, stay tuned for more videos. Take care.